Bang, putang ina. 2-0. Good play. If you make a nasty move, you say panis. Yeah, nasty move in basketball. Like you do a crossover, then the defender's ankle broke. You say panis.
Punish or punish?
Panis. Letter P.
P. Punish.
Yeah. Then you make the O sound. Oh. It's a Filipino culture. Tangina, kanina pa kami, ang init eh. Doon nga, dalawa sila sunod oh. Init dito ya. Para nasa microwave. Oo. Di ba, ano ka talaga dito ya, kondisyon. Ha? Naranasan ko yun dito. Schedule kami magkakaklase boss. Tangina, init sobra puta. Walang adrenaline, tangina. Pagod kong pagod. Sige mat. Nadala ka? Ano? Hindi tayo dito.
Sinudol mo ka na, sobrang sakit.
Kaya ka na. Sobrang sakit eh. Hindi pa rin magaling na. Bakit? Bakit? Wala! Nangangapa ka lang pala. Hey, nice one! Highlight sana pre, putang ina ka. Highlights pero sa'yo lang. Pas siyam kalaban mo pre. Tibay ba ba ang buo? Sigarilyo, pag gusto mo laro, awit. Hindi ka kaya mamatay dyan yan. Meron pala to. Ano? Developmental lang yan. Ha? Nasa Raulo mga player. Ha? Nasa Raulo. Hindi sila kinukuha pag di sila nagbabayad. Ha? Hindi sila kinukuha pag di sila nagbabayad. Hindi sila nagbabayad. Hindi sila kinukuha pag di sila nagbabayad. Pay to play yan boss. Sa Bastian eh. Developmental yan eh. Developmental. Saan?
Samlang pumunta.
Nasa Raulo eh. Hindi, mapatrayan tulit ako. Ha? Mapatrayan tulit. Lakas! Ina mo, mamaw ka. Ngayon lang lumabas. Kanina, kailangan namin yun eh.
sablay daw. Bang!
Ito gusto mong kalaban. 5v5.
Stratos.
Hindi pala si May.
Tayo boss no? Tatlo tayo, tapos kuha tayo dalawa. Ito si ano, si Evan.
Tapos, oh. Gano'n natin. Kami natin din mo ako
Gago boss, lugi naman sa atin yan.
Hindi mo ako lalaban kay Stratos. Hindi mo, boss.
Ewan gago boss. Pag ano yung mga MPBL ganun, nilalabanan niya.
Oo, hindi mo ako nalaban. Oo nga.
MPBL boss, pasubok lang.
Siyempre, boss, di ba? Lalaban lang naman, di ba? Marami nga sumusubok sa kanya, di ba?
Wala gago, hindi sila tatanggap pag walang pera. Nung una, oo, sige. Pero ngayon, wala na. Kilala na siya eh.
Yung mga ganun-ganun mo.
Ang dami ng sponsor sa akin.
Oo, gago, sapatos pre.
Parang
Tangina, mas kasing... Mas madami na sapatos niya kaysa sa akin. Last shot! Last shot!
Game boy.
Hindi, change. Change court!
Ang sapatos sa mga
Wala tayong magagawa, boss. Territorial.
Altet!
Tangina, fade away yun sa kawalakan ah. Bren, ikot mo muna, pre. May kasama ka.
Wala, yung ikot niya dito, pinasa ko na sa kanya. Ayaw mo na
Oh?
yung ikot.
May kasama siya eh.
Kaya nga, bibili.
Kahit
Sakit
sobrang...
talaga yan. May sakit talaga.
Tingin, Ponce, kakampi. Nice pass. Nice one. Nice one.
Wala ka dyan!
Awit! Tangina, sinabihan ka nang wala ka niyan, pre. Gaganahan ka talaga.
Sorry, akin.
Si Bren kaya meron?
Uli!
Nakita mo ba?
Baba! Uy! Pasa! Ang bagal to pinigyan. Ang bagal to. Kita na si Morse.
Tsaka si ano, Haji Rakim andun na. Wow! if he does, when he does that, it means he's like LeBron in his prime. Like he doesn't, he acts like he doesn't have teammates. Wow, pre, marunong ako. Call center ako, pre.
Oh, ba't ka dyan?
Kung marunong na ako maghangol eh. Nag-aaral pa ako nun eh. Yung ano, dialect nila. Language nila. Hangul, Korean. It's Hangul, right? Your language, bro? Evan? It's Hangul? It's called Hangul? Hangul, your language?
Hangul, yes.
Hangul. Hangul. Iya, Lebron, good. Ayun na, sa gitna. Nak ng teteng, ang daming kakampi. Iya. Siya lang, solo. ina mo. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's called panis. Another one is kain. 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 K-A-I-N. Kain. Yeah.
Vanilla is up.
Alin? Kain nga, yun nga. Ganun. And one. All yours, yeah, all yours! Do you play basketball in Korea?
So last time when I graduated high school.
Yeah.
So normally basketball is not popular thing in Korea.
Yeah, it's unusual to for me it's unusual to see a Korean playing basketball because you know like Korea it's cold weather something like that. But then the usual sport there is baseball.
No, we haven't played basketball week for that year. Kind of is for that is soccer.
Oh yeah, football.
Hindi kasi so normally that is so much for not play baseball because that is so difficult.
Yeah. Eating ka lang. Pangalan boy? Kaya this iPhone. Eating ka lang. Bago yan ah. Paano bilhin mo?
Oy, last 2 minutes.
Ito, mahal pa pala. 13 yun, di ba? Ano yung lupit gumalaw talaga na ito, no?
Hindi ka
Ang haba, tas ang lipsi, boss. Duruin mo yun. Puta na, iyo-yo-yo niya ba?
Ganda nga.
Have you already played in CCP? CCP complex, the basketball court. It's like an outdoor basketball court near Pasay. You're not familiar?
Yeah, because I go to play basketball only search it at the group.
Oh. Haven't you tried Met Park? It's near, closer to you. Met Park?
But I never play basketball in Pasay.
Oh. It's like every time you play basketball, it's it's within Manila.
Yeah, because my search it about because my schedule is not same as every week, so I search it about the time and so double check about the time.
Have you joined the group already?
Not yet.
Yeah, just I just joined about the Facebook, so I able to join.
Last shot.
Because we have schedule every day. Like whenever your time is to like your day off is last shot. Day off is let's say Friday Thursday to Friday or Friday.
Okay, boy.
We have
Okay,
schedule.
last shot.
Like every day of the week, 24/7. 7/7.
So Filipino like basketball,
Yeah, it's part of our culture.
crazy lover.
Yeah.
Ay, last shot.
Basketball is like a wife.
Yeah.
Set, next game.